What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to set a reminder in Slack. So here I have Slack opened on my phone and I have opened a chat. So in this case that's my own chat where I can draft messages and write anything and to-do lists and so on. But you can do so in any chat. So to set a reminder, just type in a slash here and then start typing remind. And when you start, it'll see here the remind command shows up. If you tap on it, it'll start typing. So let's say I want a reminder to do my homework. So remind me to do my homework at 7 p.m. And when you send this message, you can see here that the Slack bot here tells you that it'll remind you to do the homework at 6 p.m. Maybe I typed in 6 at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, so that's how you can set up reminder in Slack.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.